Okay, so here we are. Hello everyone, welcome back. You may have just seen the other video that I did previously on how to get this look here. This is the glowing, natural, everyday quick makeup look. Now, this video today is how to take this type of a look, a daytime makeup look, and turn it into an evening or event type of a look very easily in a matter of 2 minutes. Can we do 2 minutes? I think we can. So I'm gonna get right into it, because why the heck not? So I did use a Laurent Mercier Caviar stick in the previous video to highlight. Now I'm going to be taking a darker shade. This one is Smoke, I believe. Yes. I'm just gonna take this through the crease of the eye and into the lash line like that. I am then going to take a brush and I'm gonna start to blend. I'm doing one eye at a time because these Caviar sticks set really quickly. So you should have something like this. It's dramatic, it's smoky, it's sexy. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. Take it again. I'm gonna do the other eye. We're going to start to blend. Blend, 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 blend. Whatever's left on the brush, I'm just kind of working it in underneath the eye. I still have that little bit of lightness on the lid, which is perfect. I want that. This is definitely a dramatic evening look, but that's okay. That's what we're doing today. I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Moondust palette. These are like pressed glitters, and they're so gorgeous. So I'm gonna take this one, ooh, I think I'm gonna do Magnetic and Spectre. So Spectre is this light one here. Let's cover that up. I'm gonna use this light one here, and then I'm gonna use this purple shade. So I'm gonna start with the light shade. I'm just gonna apply these with my finger. And just take it, and I'm pressing that into the inner corner. So as you can see, it just gives a nice little bit of texture. And these are pressed glitter, so they're so beautifully shimmery. So you could just leave it like that, which is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I want to add some of this purple just because why not? So I'm going to use this purple shade through the second half of the eyelid, and I'm just stopping at the crease. Okay. I am going to take a powder brush, and I'm going to dust through the center of my face with a powder. So just through the center of the face, and then I'm gonna take the same brush again, and I'm just gonna go in with any bronzer, powder bronzer. This one is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. Now the highlighter in here is basically my skin coloring, so I'm just gonna skip that one. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the bronzer. I would say this is the time where you can go in with a brow pencil and give your brows a little bit more definition. This is the Dior Diorshow Brow Styler in the Universal brand. I knew it was something like that. I love this particular product and brow pencils that have spoolies because you can then brush out and soften down any lines if you might have put on a little bit too much of the product. I would go in with more mascara. This is, I think it's a brown color. I'm not sure. This one's from Dior. I'll just pop this on because I don't know if it's black or brown. It might be brown, it might be black. But I'm just going to pop on mascara. And when you're at home doing this on yourself, like 2 minutes. Put on the eyeshadows really quick. You can put them on in the car if you're not driving. Please be safe. You can put them on in the office when you're clocked out. Mascara is very subtle. Not sure if I'm here for it. Might be time to throw this one out. I mean, it's I love Dior mascaras, but this one's just too old, too dry. That one's going away. Let me grab another one. Be right back. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I've not used it before. It's from Stila. I don't even know what it is. I don't know if they make it anymore or not, but this one I need something on the lashes besides what was there. It's an interesting brush. I think that this is definitely more of a lengthening, separating formula, which is fine. But for this look, I want more on the volume side, personally. So that just means that I'm gonna add an extra 1 or 2 coats on to what I would normally do to really build it up. Okay, there we go. That's something. We're getting somewhere now. Ugh. Yeah, I'm shining it. I always have a really hard time with this eye because I'm right-handed. It's the left side. Still using my right hand. Do other people have this issue? Are they ambidextrous and able to use their other hand? I can kind of do it. It just takes me longer to do. You know what? That would be a very interesting video to do. To do an entire makeup look using your bad hand. Whatever hand you don't normally use. That would be interesting. Maybe I'll do it. Wink, wink. Okay. I think this eye here needs one more coat. Why not? I've never used any Stila mascara before, so I'm happy with this one. I'm gonna go online to buy it and probably discontinue or something. Don't you hate that? You find something that you like and then you go to buy more when you run out and then, oh, it's not been made for the past 3 months, where'd it go? That happened with one of my favorite foundations from YSL. Okay, so this was a very long tutorial to explain how to do a very simple look, but here we are. I'll just go over it really quickly again. I took the Laurent Mercier Caviar stick, went through the crease of the eye, blended it out with a blending brush, an eyeshadow brush. You could blend that with your finger if you wanted to. Smoked a little bit of it underneath the eye and just kind of like pulled it out. I took any like pressed shimmer. You could use regular shimmer as well. You don't need to use like a pressed shimmer or glitter. And I just took lighter color inside of the eye, purple across the lid, more mascara. I decided to fill in the brows and add a little extra bronzer. Only other thing would be either applying more lip gloss or changing your lip up completely to a different texture, either more of like a lipstick, more of a matte formula. So let me just put on another lip really quick. So there's a lip color that's a little bit dramatic. Now I'm gonna try it with a nude lip so you can see, you know, some variety. 1 second. Yeah, they're very creamy. Oh, they feel so good on. I don't normally wear lipstick or even really lip gloss, but I think that is quite a pretty way to finish off the look. Should I try maybe even one more lip color? Maybe? Yeah, let's do one more lip color, and then everyone down below, let me know if you liked the first option, the OCC, if you liked option number 2, which was the YSL, or option number 3, which is, this is option number 3, which is, this one is Inglot, and it is $2.63, which looks like this. Just a really nice flesh color. So I have that one on. Really nice texture. Again, I would say it's a medium coverage. It has some luminosity to it. And then I added on top of this, this gorgeous Kevyn Aucoin eye gloss. It's an eye gloss, but why can't I use it on my lip? Which you see has that beautiful like duochrome blue finish that just ties it in with the eye really nicely. So which one do you like? Do you like option 1, option 2, or option 3 for the lip? Let me know down below. So this was a very quick, easy way to turn a daytime look into something evening or event appropriate and really give you that extra glam. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!